From MAT112 group 22. I want to present case study 1. Question A is calculate the total interest charged for each bank interest. The question gives us P equals to RM to 20,000, T equals to 5 years, K equals to 5.5%, or we can directly use 0.055, and M equals to 3. If we want to find the I, we must use this formula. S equals to P, open bracket 1, plus S equals to RM 20,000 in bracket 1 plus 0, 1. If we want to find I, we use formula I equals S minus P, and S is 6265.12. T equals to 5, K equals to 0.048, M equals to 4. After we find equals to P in bracket 1 plus K over M, power of M times P. S equals to RM 20,000 in bracket 1 plus 0.048 over 4, power of 4 times 5. After we calculate this, we get in bracket 1.12. After we get the S, we can find I. 0.69 minus 2 minus 20,000 and 5388.96. We move to question B. We choose James Bank because the total interest charge RM 5388.96 is lower than Alpha Bank interest charge RM 6265.12. Equals to RM 20,000, T equals to 1.5 year, K equals to this to find 20,000 bracket 1 plus 0.048 over 4, power of 4 times 1.5. After we calculate this, we can answer in bracket 1.012 1483.90. T equals to RM 21483.90. We got from this, and T equals to 4 minus 1.5 is 2.5. K equals to 0.07. M equals to 12. We use the same formula from this. S equals P in bracket 1 plus K over M, power of M minus P. Yes. S equals to 21483.90 in bracket 1 plus 0.07 over 12, power of 12 times 2.5. After we calculate this, we got 1.00583333 of 30. Okay. After we times this, we get 1.19064,681. After that, we must do times 21483.0.90 times 1.19064,681, and we get S equals to 25579.60. This is how to we find the I. I equals to S minus P. I equals to 25576.90 minus 20,000 S from this, and we get I equals to RM 5570.60.
Hello everyone, my name is Izzreel. We are to explain case study 2. The question is, Mr. Tan is planning to retire in soon. He has two options. So, in my work, we gave two options. Invest is 100,000 saving in account that earn 3% interest compounded annually. You can withdraw some money per year for the next 5 years. So I will explain one by one. The first one is option 1. The option 1, you can go P is 100,000, K 3%, M1, and I equals K divided M. So we can get 0.03. And times is 5 years. You can get here. And S divided D in bracket 1 plus 0 close bracket N. And we use the formula 100,000 in bracket 1 plus 0.03 close bracket 5. To that, put down 100,000 in bracket 1 0.3 close bracket 5. To calculate, you can get this number. And thus, you can get this answer. After that, we must find the total interest. So, this formula S minus P. 11.40. Then I will explain option 2. The first one, we can get this formula. No, sorry. The first one is S 22,000, K 0.04, and M is 1, time is 5 years, and P we don't know. So the formula given is S equals P in bracket 1 plus I cross bracket N. So then we put the number 22,000 equals P in bracket 1 0.04 equals divide 1 equals 18082.40. After that we must know interest total. So this formula S minus P. After that put the number and we can get 3917.6. That's the answer. To justify the answer, the first one we recommend option 1. Why? Because high total interest. Number 2 is potentially better long term growth. Put the PSA, so P is 100,000, S we know, and K 0.04, and M is 1. So we should use the formula to find the S. First bracket 5. That we calculate in bracket and we get 1.04. We calculate it down, so we can get this number 100,000 in bracket 1.21665 to 90. Cross the bracket and we get the answer. So the answer is 121,665.29.
Assalamualaikum to Madam Fazillah. My name is Izzreel and I'm from MAT112G22. Okay. For today, I will present about case study 2, which is question D. The soalan. Assalamualaikum to Madam Fazillah. My name is Izzreel. I'm from MAT112G22. Okay. I will explain to you about case study number 2, which is question number D. The question starts with: after retirement, Mr. Tan decides to purchase a car for 80,000. He plans to make a down payment of 20% and finance the remaining amount over 5 years with a 5% compounded monthly. Okay. The cash price was 18,000. The deposit 18,000 times 20%. So the answer for deposit we will get 16,000. Next, the formula to find N is the cash price minus the deposit. So we will get 64,000. To find the monthly payment of the car loan, we will use this formula, which is A equal R open bracket 1 minus open bracket 1 plus I close over power of negative N over I and close bracket. I will teach you guys how to solve this problem. Okay, as you guys can see, we will use this formula. Where we got A is from this, so we just write down the 64,000
and then we could just write it back R, then open bracket 1 minus open bracket 1 plus 0.0041666666667 open bracket and the power of negative 60. After that, we will divide by 0.0041666666667. Then we will close the bracket. For the next step is we just write down back these two. Then to find this answer is 1 plus this one. Then we will get the 1.0041666666667 and the power still is 10, so just write it back. Then we divide by 0.0041666666667. Okay. To the second final step. To find this answer, just calculate all of this from top until this one. So we will get 52.990764. After we get this answer, we need to divide. Means here just over, means over. So when we move into to in front, it will be divide. So 64,000 divided by 52.9907064. Then we just put R here. So we just divide like biasa. Then we will get the final answer. The final answer was 1,207.76 cents. That's all for me for question D.
Okay, to solve the next question is we will use the formula which is S equal P open bracket 1 plus R close bracket the power of n minus 1 and then we over by R then we close bracket. Okay, so the principal is 1,207.76 cents. So we just list down the R, which is 0.0041666666667 close bracket and the power is 36, then we minus with 1, so we will get the 0.1614722 true. Okay, after to find this we need to divide by 0.04166666667. Then we will find the S and the answer for S is 46,804.70 cents. To find the final answer, we will use the formula I equal S minus N and R. So we just put the answer S, which is 46,804.70 cents. We minus by over 36. Then we close bracket, open bracket with 1,207.76 cents. We need to calculate this first to get this. Then we minus with the S. Then the final answer will be 3,325.37 cents. To solve the final question, which is number question F, we use the formula given, which is S equal R open bracket 1 plus I close bracket the power of n minus 1 over I close bracket. Okay, this is the formulas, the numbers still same like the last question. We just put 1,207 and 76 cents, then 1 plus 0.05 over 12, which is this is the interest. Then the n is negative 12 3 over 12. We need to cut because it's same. Then we minus with 1. So we will get negative 3 in here. Okay. Then we just this one we put here. Then no more 12. So for this answer, we need to solve this first. Then we will get this.
which is 1.02155256 minus 1. Then we just calculate like before. Then we will get the answer 3.0125173661. To get this answer, we need to this times with this, so we will get 3638.40 cents.